So first of all, Patricia, I'm so glad to be here, and this is the perfect book for you. When this happened, it was not something I was excited about, and I had a keynote and a training session with an organization, and I was like going crazy because I wanted to make sure that it was seamless. And so who did I call? I called you right away to say, hey, help me out. And I hired you for the day, and everything worked perfectly because the last thing I wanted to see was a big PowerPoint and a tiny speaker in the corner. And I wanted things to, just again, I wanted some different things, and you researched it. And I think, there was some things that you learned along the way as well. And it was an amazing, just an amazing day. And I did not have to fret. And that's what I appreciated so much. And then you gave me tips along the way as well. And then the bonus, again, when, we think about customer experience, the over and above is I remember you delivering a memory stick where you filmed and edited my whole session. So it was something that I could use afterwards too. So I was so thankful. And I even remember having conversations with Sandra Summerhays, who was here too. And the two of us would say, oh my gosh, what do we do? How do we do this? Oh, let's call Patricia. So we've got Patricia now in the book and the ideas. And again, I think people are going to find this so valuable. So thank you.
Thank you so much for saying that. And you're absolutely right, Laurie. This book actually grew. It's good. I didn't put it out 2 years ago because as people asked me questions, more tips would come out, or, it was just something that kept evolving. So, and Tabitha knows too, as we were editing, I kept having more. Well, can we add more? Can we add a little bit more? So, I totally appreciate you saying that. And it's been such a privilege to work with all of you as well. So thank you.
Now, sounds like the start of book 2 is already in the works.
Oh, yes. There's more that didn't get into this book.